Alright guys, this is Lego 920 here to do a vlog to head to the old car show down in Appleton. So there's gonna be a lot of old cars and stuff. And if there's any if, if there's any copyrighted music that I tend to play during that event, that's okay, because while I do some editing, I will have some non-copyright music playing in the video, so hope you guys enjoy. Now, while we head to Appleton, we are going to go get something to eat down there, and of course, we'll be able to look at the cars. Hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. So I had to combine all the clips that I recorded with the cars together. I couldn't record all the cars though. Hope you enjoyed. If you guys liked what you saw, make sure you click like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you join my Discord fan server in the description. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.